we have created a new line of redesigned, high-performance abrasive blasting cabinets for our professional customers. The Pulsar Plus Blast Cabinets. These reimagined cabinets are engineered for a wide range of applications, simple maintenance, and ease of use. Central to the Pulsar cabinet's redesign is the Clemco conviction that operator comfort and equipment ease of use reduce downtime, save media, and increase productivity. Electric-controlled leg lifts with 1-foot range of adjustment enable operators of varying heights to work comfortably and to control their line of sight through the view window. The leg lift controls are located in a front-mounted control center that houses each cabinet's on and off power switches, pressure gauge and pressure adjustment control, and magnehelic gauge. The centralized location of the control center's gauges lets operators know at a glance whether the cabinet is operating at peak efficiency. Split-second engagement of the leg lifts, foot pedal, and the door and dust container safety interlocks are assured by all electric control circuitry. A multi-connection port behind the control panel simplifies securing electric connections between the control panel and power module. Quick change arm ports make replacing gloves fast and painless and permit every operator to have a dedicated pair of gloves. The arm ports are designed with integrated armrests to help operators stay comfortable and focused during long shifts or demanding applications. Abundant lighting is one of the simplest fixes for making a cabinet easier to use, which is why Clemco has equipped its Pulsar Plus cabinets with state-of-the-art 50-watt LED lights that outshine even higher wattage fluorescent and incandescent lights. The detached power module, which houses the media reclaimer and reverse pulse dust collector, exemplifies Clemco's preoccupation with flexibility and simplicity. The power module's compact design allows for flexible configurations with the blast cabinet, enabling the entire blast system to fit into awkward or tight workspaces in various work environments. However, the power module still provides unobstructed access to common wear parts, such as the reclaimer inlet adapter and the pulse control valve. It also offers unobstructed access to the pulse pressure regulator, pulse timer, metering valve, and outlet damper. This convenient access decreases maintenance-related downtime while enhancing the cabinet's operational flexibility. The media reclaimer is the heart of every Pulsar Plus cabinet. It maintains an effective media working mix that ensures consistent blasting results and peak blast system performance. The reclaimer is equipped with a media load chute that simplifies loading and helps eliminate waste and safety hazards caused by spilled media. The metering valve's straightforward adjustments allow for application versatility, and it meters most common recyclable media, from glass bead to aluminum oxide. The reverse pulse dust collector ensures maximum visibility and optimal media recovery by maintaining an efficient closed dust collection system. A side access door panel provides quick access to the pleated filter cartridge, which has a twist lock release mechanism so that it smoothly detaches from the dust collector. This uncomplicated access speeds up routine maintenance and helps prevent accidental dust release. An auto-timed pulse cleans accumulated dust from the filter cartridge, which has a MERV 12 efficiency rating. The dust collector is equipped with a 1-horsepower blower motor that guarantees proper airflow. The 6-gallon dust container is mounted on wheels, so it effortlessly glides from underneath the dust collector, which helps minimize dust release into the work area. Clemco's Pulsar Plus line of abrasive blasting cabinets have reimagined the possibilities of cabinet abrasive blasting. They integrate ease of use, flexible design, and maintenance simplicity into blast systems that make abrasive blasting safer, more efficient, and more profitable. Clemco's Pulsar Plus Blast Cabinets give you consistent, repeatable results that get the job done right. The all-new Pulsar Plus Blast Cabinets from Clemco.